Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I am going to unbox something that took me a long time to wait. Probably like a week and a half just to get the part from China. Wala ko expect na it's gonna take a long time just to get that out because with Amazon Prime here it's much more convenient, much more faster to get things shipped out. At some online stores, they do have like the black version of it or like the regular version. I wanted to make it more special, maybe white would be a good aesthetic for my next build. So far, akong ganahan na build is gonna be mostly white, but some parts could be like, black or metallic finish. It's just in my head, okay? So I think Corsair just recently released their new model of fans. Okay, for me, good, whenever I conceptualize to build a PC, I always consider the lighting. Driving me towards the RGB scene is because ganahan na jud ko sa lighting. Like they say, more RGB, more FPS, right? Namo ko'y fan diri na para sa PC, pero I'm gonna show you. Di mo gud siya maigo, guys. Di gud siya maigo sa PC case ba? So, pa sa tani. Di ba mada? Di ba masud? Saon ta man eh. Let's get to the unboxing, okay? Let's do it. There it is. All right. We did get the white ones. Yes. So I'm glad. Oh, I thought it was like separate. It's a whole set. Just let it out. Let it out. Let it out. What am I doing? There you go. It's out of the box now. So what is this set? Performance RGB QL120 RGB performance. It says performance. If you can see that, you can read that there. Yeah, it's performance. Well, hopefully I can do some testing on this one. Compare it to like other stock fans. I'm pretty happy with the purchase. I did get the white version, and this video was just merely taking this out of the shipping package, just making sure I had the right item. I'll probably make another unboxing video just for the QL120 RGBs if I do have the luxury of time. But for now, this concludes our video, and thanks for dropping by. I will see you on the next one.